My country people, this Nigerian Nollywood superstar and a movie producer Ruth Kadiri Ezerika, popularly known as Ruth Kadiri, don't throw so many Nigerians off balance, so can they make them the wonder say na Ruth Kadiri husband be this. We all know for this internet space say Ruth Kadiri don marry. Who be her husband? Nobody knows. So as he post this one, 9 people come dey wonder say na her husband be this. Because he finished the whole situation kpata with this caption wey she write. She talk say, "Happy birthday to a thorn in my flesh, a bone in my head. Please drop an emoji for this greatest of all time." No be small thing, my people. If this one na friendship, friendship dey sweet oh. Bestie dey sweet when you are with the right person. Make we watch this beautiful video together. Who dey call Tonios? One thing na to get friend, another thing na to get friend wey dey loyal. Your friend dey loyal? Hello. If no be say Ruth don marry, I for say make she go home with papi cause e fit both of them. I no talk anything, no. My people, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more ogbonge news with the tutorial body. Una now see they do one for here. For my page now, Proconis I dey share update to the tutorial body now they share. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. Oh yeah, now bye. I go love. Hello.